Okay, the last two things I want to talk about on this output is these cells right here. Okay, this is where it tells you what your y-intercept is and what your slope is, even though it doesn't say slope. That's your slope and that's your y-intercept. So when you write your formula of your line, you'll get y equals the y-intercept, 5.847, plus the slope, and I just rounded up to 0.83, times x. So that means we can plug in any number of hours that we study here, and it would give us a predicted score that we would make. Okay, so that formula, assuming that this is a good model and the dots fall really close to the line. If you want to see the scatter diagram, go back to your original data, highlight all the data, click Insert, if this is the version of Excel you have, click Scattered, and you can see that we get this output here. Make it a little smaller so you can see it. So here is our X, which is our hours studied. Here's our Y, which is the points we scored. And you can see, whoops, from looking at it, it's really close to a straight line. You can also, if you right click on one of these dots, you can add the trend, what's called a trend line or the regression line. And you can also click down here and it will show you the equation for that line. So you can see now we have our, oops, make this so you can see it a little better. So we have our scattered diagram, we put our line in it, and then you can see here's the formula of the line, which is the same as what we got on that other handout. Y equals there's the y-intercept and there's our slope. If you were going to present this to somebody, you'd want to put labels down here that says hours and labels over here that says score, and do something like that. So that's how you get your scatter diagram.